Welcome back, welcome back. We got a new package in the mail today. This is from Promodeler. It's the servo for my X-Maxx. It came pretty darn quick. I ordered it, was it Friday or so? Maybe? So it took less than a week to get here, so let's get into it a little bit and see what we're looking at. What comes in this packaging? We've got a face mask. Are you kidding me? They don't know me very well. But I will give them some kudos for that. Oh, so a patch, some stickers, and a mask with the Promodeler. Okay, that's slick. That's slick. I give the mask credit for that. Peanuts, peanuts, peanuts. What about peanuts? Okay. Oh, a hat. Sweet. Oh my goodness. These guys are hooking you up, man. So I get a hat. Dang. Wow. Peanuts. Oh, they even give me a piece of candy. What? These guys know what's up. These guys know what's up. This is no joke. Oh my God. Okay. Yeah. Guys at Promodeler, you're awesome. I haven't even opened up the box to check this bad boy out, but it's pretty. It's definitely pretty. Wow. So a hat, mask, some stickers. Oh wait, there's more in here. The patches, business card of some sort with other information on it, and another Promodeler patch. Look at that. Dang. Dang, dang, dang. That is awesome. Holy moly. This has got to be one of the nicer packages that I've seen for Servo. Wow, look at this. Okay. And the servo horn. Woo-wee. Okay. Look at that. Wow. That's all like milled aluminum. There's not a bit of plastic on this thing. Holy crow, this thing is impressive. Wow. Looks like they trimmed off the little tab on this for the X-Maxx install. The only down part I can see on this is there's a little sharp edge on this that I can file off. But holy moly. And for a 10th scale servo, it is quite hefty. Now, I have the original servo and the 2085X as well, and I wanted to weigh these bad boys side by side and see what we got. Let me see. So here is the 2085, the stock servo. I bought my X-Maxx used, and this servo burnt out in less than a month. Granted, the wheels blew on me in the first 10 seconds, and I needed to change out the wheels. I went with a larger wheel, and the wheels were much heavier and caused a little bit of an issue. So there is the 2085, and here is the 2085X, which is the all-metal servo. Now, if you see these side by side, you can see there's a bit difference in size, to say the least. Now, I was just curious out of weight what it was going to weigh. I've never weighed these in the past, so the 2085 is running in at 3.6 ounces, but let's change that to grams. So 100 grams even? 100 grams even for the stock servo. The X series weighing in at 113 grams. Okay, so we got 113 grams, and this little bad boy here is weighing in at 88 grams. So it is lighter, but it is also significantly smaller. Now what I'm curious about as well is I'm going to be adding a little bit of weight with the new horn, I'm assuming. So let's take a look at that. This is definitely not heavy. So we got 87 grams with that, and 7 grams. So 7 grams. This has got the horn on it as well. So that's 8 grams with that. But let me take this bad boy off. And this will give me a more true reading of what we're dealing with. So the stock horn, three grams. So 3 grams versus 8 grams. 7. Okay, so less than 5 grams. All total weight here with the horn. That fits so nice too. That's tight. Wow. So with the horn complete, we're at 96 grams. And if I go with the stock and the horn, we're looking at 104 grams. And then the 2085X with the horn, we're at 117 grams. So it's definitely lighter. It will be adding in the adapter, so that'll add a little bit of weight, but I don't think it's going to add that much. That's pretty. That's so damn pretty. Holy moly. I'm not blown away by this kind of stuff very often, but check that out. Look at that. That is beautiful. They machined this stuff. They did a great job. I can't complain about a thing. So I just wanted to welcome you all to the Promodeler and what they have to offer. This DS930BLHV. It's one hell of a name, but I've also heard it's one hell of a servo. Total shipping with tax, blah blah blah, was I think $210. I believe was the price. It wasn't cheap, but they're giving you a hat, you know. That's going to cost you a few bucks there. The patches, even the can. I mean, it's the little things that count. This packaging is really nice. The boxing was shipped real well. Can't complain about a thing, and it came quick. So if anyone in the world is looking for a new servo, this is supposed to be a beast. Everything I've heard about it, the specs on it are pretty much unmatched. So you're going to hopefully get what I pay for, and I hope that it is the last servo that I need to install on my X-Maxx for some time. So with that, I bid you well, and see you next time. Thanks, and have a great day.